Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the marker lights on the Challenger. I'll leave a link in the description for the products used in this video. I'll show you what we're going to be using today. Let's get started. You're going to need a trim tool like this or something similar. We're going to be replacing these marker lights. Turn your wheels all the way to the right to replace the driver's side so you can get to these clips here on your fender well. And then you're going to just pop those out, stick your hand in there, and there's a clip that just unclips the light. I'll show you what that looks like. You're going to pop out all these push connectors. There's 3 of them right here. Pop those out, which I've already done. Peel your wheel well back. Stick your hand in the front of the bumper. There's a little clip, I'll show you. Right here. You just pull it back, it unclips. Unplug your old one. Plug your new one in. There you go. You got a blacked out light. Okay, now for the rear, you're going to get up under the car. And right up here, you're going to find your clip. Push it. Kind of wiggle it out of there. And same thing. Unplug the connector, plug the new light in. Now you'll just repeat the process on the other side.